Today's video, we're going to dive into insulin resistance and what you can do to fix
The
it.
pancreas produces insulin, but with insulin resistance, the cells don't respond well, causing glucose to build up in the bloodstream instead of being used for energy.
The visualization shows the insulin failing to bind to the receptors, meaning glucose cannot enter the cell. This is insulin resistance.
My journey, before and after pictures, diabetic, insulin resistance, visceral fat around the organs. If I can do it, you can do it too. Stay tuned. Wait to the end. We got some literature and some good music for you. And if you're like me, we can kick it to the curb with no shots, no medication, no surgery. So insulin resistance, visceral body fat, they go hand in hand, right? When you lift weights and work out, your body's craving nutrients, right? So when you're insulin resistant, like I was, as you can see in the pictures here, what happens is it kind of blocks the insulin. It just floats around your body because there's no place for it to go. Yeah, that's no bueno, man. That's why what I did, my situation was no carbs, no sugar for 2 months, and basically just kicked it to the curb. I didn't do any shots. I didn't do any medication. I didn't do anything. I just made a conscious effort up here in your mind to go, hey, I'm not doing this no more. And I mean, hey, those aren't doctored pictures, man. So I got some literature up on the screen you can check out and whatnot, but it's mind over matter. You don't mind, it don't matter. But the problem with going to the doctor, always get your blood work done. I'm not anti-doctor. Just get your blood work done. But the best way to get rid of insulin resistance like I did is to quit eating junk, start intermittent fasting, eat your meals from no later than like 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and quit doing the insulin yo-yo, right? Just up and down, up and down. People get up at 6, they make their coffee, dump a bunch of creamer in it, boom, out the door they go. Drink that down, go to Starbucks, get some donuts. Well, your insulin's just going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. You never get a break. 20 years later, moi, and you'll see on the screen, and I have a friend here, my gypsy. You got visceral fat around the organs, and that was horrible because I was diabetic. Yeah, I went through the ringer. So the experts, not me, claim that if a man has a stomach like he's pregnant, he's insulin resistant. And I believe that's a separate blood test than the regular panel they give you or whatever. So it's very important to go get that done. And man, you got to cut out the crap, man. I mean, it's just, yeah, if you're 30, 35-ish, 40, just say 30 to 40, you can probably get away with it, like 20 to 40 or whatever. But after 40, if you don't start rethinking the way you're eating and all that, like protein, for instance, right? There's good protein, there's bad protein. It's kind of like your car. Your car will run on 87 octane, right? Well, it's kind of like peanut butter, the protein in there. Is there protein in there? Yeah. Is it good protein? Right, Gypsy? Probably not so much. So you really have to understand the crap that they put in the food supply and all this. It's just ridiculous. So you got to take care of yourself. The earlier you do it, the better off you are, man. And that intermittent fasting is no joke either. That'll get rid of that stuff faster than you can whistle. So hopefully this helps. Got any questions, reach out. And as you can see before and after, I didn't work out, I didn't do anything. I intermittent fasting and protein. So animal fat's the best. Amino acids, got creatine in it. It's got all kinds of good protein. It's got good fats in it you need and all that good stuff. And don't listen to the experts because they don't want you eating meat because, you could die. I don't know. Anybody old like me, I don't know if you remember as a kid, guess what we used to drink? Raw milk. And I'm still alive and well. Thanks for watching. See ya.
When we eat, the red spheres, or sugar, enter our bloodstream. Insulin's job is to move this sugar into the cell, which is the bowl.
Feeling so alive in the soft rap game, I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Just down the boulevard with the top down low, music blasting loud.